Hello everyone, my name is Ivana Florin-Andrei and I am part of team C++ that created the project that we will be taking a look at today, Twixt with a Twist. Twixt with a Twist is a two-player game where the main objective is to connect your base, the northmost row if red, or the westmost column if black, to your other base, the southmost row if red, and the eastmost column if black, using a series of pegs and bridges between those pegs that are color-coded to your specific player color. Each player must carefully plan their next move and outthink their opponent, cutting their bridges off and planning ahead in order to connect their base from one side of the board to the other and attain victory. Using the left mouse button, the player can place one peg each turn. Using the right mouse button, the player can select two nodes of their respective color in order to create a bridge between those two pegs or to delete the bridge that already exists between those two selected pegs. On the right side of the screen we have many information panels, specifying data about the current game session such as game status, whose turn it currently is, and the number of pieces each player has left. The switch turn button is pretty self-explanatory, but it also has an extra feature. Red goes first, always. After Red finished his first moves and presses the switch turn button, the black player is then prompted by a pop-up window asking him if he would like to switch places with the red player. If so, player 1 becomes black and player 2 becomes red. This happens only once after the first switch turn. If the black player chooses no on the prompt, game goes on with player 1 remaining red and player 2 remaining as black. The restart button cleans the board of pegs and bridges, resets the piece counter for each player. The save game button saves the current configuration of the game, number of pieces left for both players, status of the game, basically all the information required for loading the game back to the moment that the save has been commenced. The load game button loads up the game from the save file. The setup panel allows the players to customize the board size and number of pieces as they see fit. And lastly, in the bottom right corner is a message panel that alerts the players in case they do something wrong, such as trying to place two pegs in one go. The game is implemented in C++, utilizing many modern elements and practices while also respecting the rules of clean code. As a framework, we chose to work with Qt for the front-end side of our project, taking advantage of its easy-to-use and understand QPainter functions. We have a test code coverage of 94.49% and have utilized Google tests in order to achieve this. This sums up the presentation for our project. If you want to try the game out or find out more information, please access the repo in the description or contact me using the email provided. Thank you for your attention and I hope you have a great day.